Yeah.
Karen.
Do you know what this looks like? A giant stool. Or an ogre.
Very peaceful. You look like you're going to meditate.
An ogre's stool, maybe.
Catch, pull, pull.
Catch! Oops, sorry.
Big moss lump.
This one, there's a monster here.
Looks like a cow.
That's it, wouldn't it?
Looks like a cow's head.
It's not what?
Follow path.
But don't follow it because they might be joking with us. What? See, I think they're joking with us.
Follow.
I think they're trying to get us to go wrong.
No, because you saw the footprints go that way.
Yeah.
Yes, that's why. Still that way.
They might have started spying on us.
I think they might be behind that big log pile up there. That's the kiddie one there, look.
We're just sneaking up on the other team to ambush them. But I think they've seen us.
This is the fire.
So what you do,
Got it going, but
watch what I'm doing. You can
it's
do it
not
yourself,
doing
but what I'm going to do is just
too
show
well
you.
on this side. It's
What
doing
you try
very well
and
on
do
this.
is you get a level and then you crisscross it that way. Yeah?
Well, so you're playing that game where you have to take it out? Like that one?
Yeah, it's a bit like that.
Jenga.
What's that called?
That's it,
Jenga.
Jenga.
Yeah?
Oh,
Okay, so if you want to do that,
I'm doing that. Look.
it's all yours.
I'll just film. So blowing on it to give it oxygen, so then it...
Let's have a look to see which way the smoke's going.
Right, it's raining so badly.
And there's stuff like that. Anyone want to put water in the kettle for our hot chocolate?
Yeah, I will.
Where's the kettle?
You doing this?
Yeah, that's definitely.
Is that full up, Megan?
Pretty much.
Sausages. That's the kettle boiling. Is it boiling yet? Oh, everyone's eating sausages.
I think we've all worked really well as a team, and I really love your company, and I think Louise is a fantastic cook, a really good team player, amazing, she did all the washing up, and I would have her as a group chief any time. Only me.
Well, Darren's really kind and he makes me smile and I like his laugh because it's really funny and he makes great hot chocolate. Ho!
Ho!
Megan's a good team leader.
Ho!
Ho!
Whoa!
Guys! Kirsty's a good friend and helps me when I need her.
Ho!
Not her, Kirsty.
No, no, Kirsty.
Me!
You're doing him.
You don't have to do it individually if you don't want to.
I'll do Grant's funny.
No, you're not.
Do me. You can have a laugh with and he's really rubbish at making coffee.
We do one cheers at the end. Grant's useful because if there's sausages you don't want to eat, you can eat them.
Ho!
She makes good coffee. I don't know.
You're a good teacher.
Well, I'm just happy that I'm here and that I have all these fun people around.
And my fun! My fun!
Well, I am so impressed with this group. Fantastic. I've really, despite the wet weather, you've all been fantastic. And what's really impressed me is that even though things are a bit damp, you've all kept your spirits really well. I think it's fantastic.
Right, let's all do a big cheers.
Okay, let's do one big ho! Ho! Cheers! Cheers!
Grant!
Cheers! Well done. Cups up.
Make sure it's all out.
Isn't that fantastic?
Oh, done it.